Imagine hearing a sound that no one else around you can hear. It's like something out of a horror movie. The mystery of the Taos Hum first gained widespread attention in the early 1990s when residents began reporting the strange sound. Many described it as a low, rumbling noise that was especially noticeable at night when everything else was quiet. The complaints piled up, and eventually the media got wind of it. Soon, the Taos Hum was making headlines, and scientists, sound engineers, and conspiracy theorists alike started looking for answers.